Hello everybody, this is MK Phoenix. Oh, lakeside restaurant. Oh, this is a nice place in Genting Highland. Okay, you can enjoy the lakeside view, enjoy the seafood around this new place at the lakeside, man-made lakeside. Wow, okay, enjoy the food here. That is like a boat, right? The boat table with a lakeside, having your meal, seafood. Look very nice, right? Let's see what do we have for the supper. This place. Wow, this is a nice decoration. Wow. Let's look at that. Cross the river. Let's cross the river and enjoy our food. Alright. It's the food. Nice food.